and Ethan, a pair of siblings, were deeply concerned about the environmental damage caused by a large factory near their village. They observed with sadness how the fish in the river were being poisoned and how the birds in the forest were forced to migrate due to the pollution. They couldn't stay silent in the face of this situation. Emma loved to draw, and she began expressing her environmental concerns through her artwork. She started creating drawings illustrating the harm caused by the factory, aiming to convey the message to other children in the village. Meanwhile, Ethan, with his storytelling skills, managed to capture the attention of the adults. Through his narratives, he vividly described how nature was being destroyed and how the creatures were suffering. Together, they organized a meeting in their village and shared their worries about the damage caused by the factory to the environment. Encouraged by the children's efforts, the adults decided to take action. They approached the authorities responsible for the factory and advocated for measures to protect the environment. However, they knew that the efforts of adults alone wouldn't be sufficient. Emma and Ethan, along with their friends, established an environmental club in their village and took matters into their own hands. They started cleaning up the riverbanks and planting trees in the forest. As the factory began to realize the seriousness of the situation and started managing its waste more responsibly, nature began to thrive once again. Under the leadership of Emma and Ethan, all the children in the village understood the importance of living in harmony with nature and joined in the efforts to protect it. Their dedication not only influenced their village but also impacted the factory's management. The factory started adopting more eco-friendly practices, and nature regained its vitality. Thanks to Emma and Ethan's selfless efforts and leadership, the importance of preserving nature was once again emphasized in their village.